Good day in the home. I'm your host Will and Cloud, and welcome to another video. Now this time I'm gonna work on a different kind of car. This time I will be working on something. It's a different kind of key, isn't it? And we're gonna work on this. This car, something I rented out. This is a rented out car, and I just see a problem there. Look at that. It's a Toyota Avensis 4D, and I think this is a 2009. So we're gonna work on this car. And what's the problem on this car is, let me show you. Where's the steering wheel? Fuck. The steering wheel is on the wrong side again. God damn it, I'm in UK. I'm not in UK. Now the problem is that when you put on the recirc, that the air goes through the vent, so it circles through the car. It smells so bad. It smells disgustingly bad. So I'm gonna show you how you can check your air filter, or the pollen air filter, or cabin air filter, call it how the fuck you wanna. Obviously it's right here. You just open this. I just found in the glove box. This is a 2008 Toyota Avensis D4/D. This should work on all 2008 Toyota Avensis. I'll just use my trusty good old phone with a flashlight. See? Here's a tab. I don't know if you can see it inside. Yeah, right there. See that one where my middle finger is? There is one. And if we open the door, right here is a Phillips screwdriver. From the feeling, how it feels like it haven't been undone at all. It doesn't feel like it's been changed. Now yoink. We put this somewhere safe. Let's put it here. And the screwdriver here. See, this is what's holding it in. And it wasn't even fully attached here. So somebody was here and they didn't do a good job. But never mind, I'll fix that. And now it should be just push on both sides. Remember, this is not my car. This is a rented car. And I do this for my own safety. And I saw right here. See, right there is a tab. So right here and right here. Come on, come out. So this one is fighting now me. And here you go. Just comes off. Now as we have it off, see, here is a tab which was there. Here's a tab which was hanging right here. So now we can put this on the driver's seat and ride this box. See, right here. This is where the cabin air filter is, and here is the blower and motor. So see, here's a tab right here. Then you just pull it towards yourself. And I think here is another tab too. Yep, here, there's another tab. And this comes out, as you can see. Right here a tab, and right here a tab. And the filter comes out. Ew, that's disgusting. That's what's breathing on our faces. Absolutely disgusting. Well, I cannot spend money on a car I'm renting out. I can hit most of this stuff out. I wish I could just wash this out, But nope, that's not how it works. And you can see right here, airflow, how it goes in, made in Germany. So you put it back like that. That airflow, where it's made, it's on the outside. Look at that, my hands are even dirty. It's absolutely disgusting. I'll look into how much this costs. Even though this is a rental car, I don't want to breathe that in. That's disgusting. That's absolutely disgusting. Then you put these tabs in and this tab in, and it should make a sound. See, it made a sound, and that's it. Now let's see what's with this one, because this guy is right here. Is it meant to be here or there? Okay, let's see. If we fully take it out, yeah, it bottoms out here. So we snap it in here, so it sits there properly. See, there's a snapping point, so this sits properly here. Now we need to clip this here and here. So make sure you align them properly, like this, so they click actually in. I know you don't see it well, but you should hear a click. You should hear something that actually clicks in. And it should hold on itself. If you let it go and it falls, you didn't do it right. So it should click in. There you go, that's clicked. This one, nope, not yet. Yep, it clicked. So now you can get this tab past here and this tab past there. That's it. There you go. Here a push. Right here a push. See? Closes perfectly. See? That's how it should be. Lovely. Now you can attach the side. So it has an bound, see? Right here, the place for it. Put the screw in, it's all done. If you don't align the bottom ones, if you don't align here, where's the bottom? Where you don't align them, you won't be able to close it normally, how it should close. So make sure you feed them in properly and then push this one in, so your glove box doesn't just fall down. And that's all, folks. Done. Lovely. See? Boink, boink. Perfect. That's how you change it and check the air filter. That's it. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver to get that screw out. Pull that out, and the rest is with hands. So if you liked this video, of course smash the like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I hope I'll see you next video. Bye bye!